Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy. Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy. Hans Lanesh, the Ramen Raider guy.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I have been on hiatus for almost 2 months now, and I'm back, because today's Juneteenth. Happy Juneteenth. And, yeah, kids are home from school. They've got another day of school tomorrow, and that's it. Summer break. So I am back to full-time reviewing. Hey, today we got one. See that? Jasmine. And this is from Jasmine. This is their Bihun Segera soup Ayam. This is basically chicken soup flavored vermicelli. And what do we got? 4 minutes. That and that. Okay. We're good. 4 minutes and 400 mils of water. Not a bad deal. Let's grab a pair of scissors. Yeah, this is a trip. I kind of got a reboot on the whole review thing. It's been a while. I also noticed that my background music, this playlist has been used since May of 22, so it's time to refresh, I do believe. So I'm gonna possibly do that today, so tomorrow's episodes will have new music. But that won't be the tomorrow you're looking at right now. This will be the tomorrow in a few days for you, because I'm doing 3 reviews today. Let's see, so we got some fried shallot and a seasoning. So this goes for 4 minutes. So what's new? A lot. Yeah, they're almost done with school, which means it's going to be really hard for me to do my walking. Yeah, but we'll figure it out. I'm gonna start getting them walking a little bit every day. My wife's gonna be gone for 4th of July, and I wanted them to see the fireworks, and the fireworks are gonna be a bit of a walk, so gonna kind of get them into training for doing a walk, you know. Should be good. Hopefully that's just not a huge crazy thing to this year. Last year they didn't have 4th of July fireworks because they were doing a bridge opening a month later, and people lost their freaking minds. They were like, how is it that you have fireworks for a bridge but not for 4th of July? It's like, well, probably because the city doesn't want to shell out all that much money for fireworks. Think about it. But, you know, I don't know. But yeah, this is weird. I haven't done this in so long. I've done like April, May, and June. I did a few. I would say I've done 5 in the last. This is June 19th, so almost 3 months worth. Maybe 5, 10 reviews. I don't even think that. I've just been walking and dieting, and from March 3rd to June 2nd, which was 92 days, I lost 56 pounds. Thank you. And it's tricky though, because now it's like I'm stuck home all the time. When you're stuck at home and you're one of those people who eat when they're bored, yeah, that's gonna be difficult. But I'm focused. Yesterday was Father's Day, so didn't really adhere to any kind of diet, but that was okay. It was a good Father's Day. My son wrote a book for me. It's pretty funny. And my daughter made a shrinky dink that has a keychain thing on it, which honestly, if I put that in my pocket, it's like the edges, it's like sharp plastic, so it would like totally poke my leg, but it's really neat. So that was cool. Last couple days, Saturday, we went out, and for Father's Day, basically my wife took me all over the place, and it was a lot of fun. And yesterday, it was kind of more of a chill day. So yeah. Right, Pepper? We still have a dog. Probably not for long. She just needs more activity than we can really get for her. It's like our apartment's just too small. She wants to run around. We had a couple people come look at her yesterday, and they thought she was great, but one guy couldn't because I can't remember why, and the other person, they said they'd get back to us, and they haven't yet, which makes me think that they're probably not going to, but if they do, that'd be really good. It's just too big. It's too big. But she's a good girl. So hopefully she will find a place of being soon. So let's throw in our sachet of seasoning. But yeah, last couple days I've gotten everything all together. I got fish ball. I got the mung bean sprouts, the green onions. We got fish cake, so I got narutomaki and kamaboko. Got tofu puff. I'm like, I even got this stuff for doing Indonesian reviews. Some cabe. It's like ABC spicy sweet sauce. It's good. It's like my favorite one. Alright, and then we're going to garnish it with that. I'm going to try it with this for now, just straight. She's out there chattering away, folks. Cheers. Kind of an interesting gauge of vermicelli. Let's bring you on in. Soaked up most of the liquid. This is the XXL. It's an extra large serving of rice vermicelli. It's not bad. If you were to ask me what flavor that is, I would indeed say, oh, this is an approximation of chicken flavor, which is a good thing. What you doing? A dog. Are you licking the carpet again? You're such a scrounge. Jeez. Alright, so. Bowl. Oh, I could have used the bowl with the chicken on it. Well, we'll use this bowl. I have chicken to put in the bowl. So my kids are all of a sudden really into bathroom talk. No yelling out there, please. Okay? I'm doing my show. The first episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time in a while, with many more to follow. It's funny, the episodes that are coming out right now are from Christmas. Yeah. Oh yeah, so this is from Malaysia, if I didn't mention. Malaysia. I'm going to try it with a little bit of this garnish on here. So yeah, this is just fried shallot. Shallot's nice. If you don't really play around with shallot, I recommend it. That's a nice taste to it. Alright, so what do we got to slap on? We got some chicken. There's a company, I think it's San Juan Salt Company. North of here are the San Juan Islands, and that's right next to where I grew up in beautiful Anacortes, Washington. And pepper. I will not miss the constant interruption of squeaking. But yeah, it's a company that does all these different salts and things. Some spring onion. I think I'll add a little crispy onion, you know? You can find this stuff. Can you see it? Yeah. You can find this stuff where they keep the salad toppings. And it's really nice. Onion on the chicken. And I think if I were going to devour this, I would definitely want a little hot, spicy element. So, not much, but a little bit of crushed red pepper. And I think that is where we're leaving her today. And I think I got everything plugged in. Let's see. Can we go? We're going. Look at that. First in a while. Alright, cool. Well, thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one you're going to see is this is from Segera Foods, a company that's kind of near and dear to my heart. Really neat products, really nice people. This is their Segera Genuine Ramen, and I really don't know what to expect. Noodle block, dry sachet, but it's genuine. It doesn't say if it's shoyu, shio, miso, so it's like their concoction. Anyways. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, really helps me out. Have a good one. Bye-bye.